Hello fifth graders, so it's been a while since we've done some grammar and many of you have done very well on the adjectives quiz. So we're going to skip ahead to verbs now. So I know learning verbs isn't new to you guys, but I think it's always important to do some review. So we're going back to basics with this verb mini lesson. So in basics, it's important to know two things in verbs, how to categorize them, and that is action and fact. There are two very different ways to categorize verbs. For example, a fact is stating something that is true, and it's usually short, brief, and to the point. And the kind of language that you see in the fact column is, was, are, and were. For example, she is tall. That's a fact, plain and simple. They are right. We are lost. They were gone. He was there. So those are some basic examples that prove, I think, the straightforwardness of using verbs as a fact. And we're going to skip ahead now to action. So action kind of displays what someone is actively doing or maybe even passively doing. So for example, and the language here is infinite. So these aren't the only four options. It could be anything. There are a lot more action verbs than displayed in this video. For example here though, we play at home. Now this is in the present tense. We could also say we played at home, we are playing at home, but right now we're going to use present tense. Example, he paints the fence. She ate the orange. That one's in past. They swam in the pool, past. So action verbs can be in the past, present, or future. In the future, it uses linking verbs to help, but we're going to discuss that in Verbs 2 lesson. But for now, we're just reviewing action and fact. So once more, fact is using the language is, was, are, and were to describe simple, straight to the point information. And actions are a little bit more infinite. There's a lot more options to use. For example, sings, plays, ate, and swam. All right, if you have any questions, please comment on this video comment section. Bye.